The U.S. Department of Homeland Security's Citizenship and Immigration Services has issued its final rule on the issue of public charge. It narrows back down the definition of public charge, consistent with the field guidance of the 1990s, while adding clarity to the definition and also the immigration statuses which are impacted. The final rule was published in the Federal Register on September 9th, 2022. It takes effect December 23rd, 2022, and there are only a few changes between the version of the rule that was proposed back in February 2022 and the final version, and we'll take a look at those changes in just a moment. But let's remind ourselves where we've been with the public charge rule. It was back in March of 2021 that the Biden administration's Department of Homeland Security formally repealed the 2019 Trump administration public charge rule. The 2019 Trump rule included a much broader definition of public charge, considering cash and non-cash benefits, including public assistance benefits like Medicaid and certain health conditions, as heavily weighed negative factors. So as of March 2021, the U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services no longer applies that August 2019 public charge final rule. Homeland Security says this new rule, the 2022 final rule, implements a much different policy than what we saw in 2019. It puts into effect a more faithful interpretation of the statutory concept of likely at any time to become a public charge. It avoids unnecessary burdens on applicants, and it mitigates the possibility of widespread chilling effects of the past rule. And like we said, there are a few small changes between the proposed version of February and the final version that goes into effect in December of 2022. First, they added clarity to the definition of household and other classifications to terminology. The Department of Homeland Security said they have explicitly written into the rule that it will not consider the use of non-cash benefits, and that includes food benefits like SNAP and the Children's Health Insurance Program. They add clarity to factors that a U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Service adjudicator must consider, and they modified language around public charge bonds. In a statement, the Department of Homeland Security's Secretary Mayorkas says this action ensures fair and humane treatment of legal immigrants and their U.S. citizen family members. And he continues, consistent with America's bedrock values, we will not penalize individuals for choosing to access the health benefits and other supplemental government services available to them. The department also says this rule helps ensure the fair and effective management of our nation's immigration services. You can read the final rule. We link to it in the description below, along with the statement from Homeland Security.